In this video, we are going to see how to create the InstaMojo products the right way so that you can collect the payment seamlessly and also maximize your profits. So let's get started. So first thing you have to do is go to instamojo.com and click on the login button. I believe that you already have an account, and if you don't have, you can create one. So I'm going to log in into my account and click on login to your account. And now you can see I am on the InstaMojo dashboard. So what you have to do next is to create a payment link. And here you will see two options. One is the quick link option and another one is the smart link option. So we will use the smart link option. And then you have to click here, you have to type here the purpose of payment. For now I am creating a test product. So let's call it a lead conversion system. And here's the magic which appears. So what you can do is you can create an order bump. That is, I'll show you what is an order bump, and you can create it here. You might have seen the pages of the funnels of the Russell Brunson and other funnels. They use ClickFunnels for the order bump, but it is not applicable in India because they don't have the integration with Indian payment gateways. So I'm going to show you how to use InstaMojo to create order bumps. And in this case, we'll use the amount breakup option. And what you have to do is you have to put the product one name here. So product one name is lead conversion system. Put the amount, for example, $499, and there is an option of add another item, and put the product two name here. So I am putting personal branding mastery, and I am putting it as a 999. And you can see that I can put it this item as optional. So I've clicked on set this item as optional. Next, click on the next customized link. And you can customize the payment page as well. So you can add some description and an image. So I'm going to add an image first. So I've just downloaded an image. So here is the image. So I put the image here, and also you can add the description. So here the description would come. I'm just putting a random description for now. Product feature 1, similarly product feature 2, and special. You can mention about the optional product, special bonus product, one-time offer, and you can do the copywriting the way you want. And then you have the smart actions option. So what you can do is once the person pays on this page, what you can do is you can take them to your thank you page, so that they if you are using Facebook Pixel, so the Facebook Pixel will know that the purchase has been completed, or you want to show them something login page or something, you can put the URL here. So I'm putting a random URL here, yourwebsite.com/thank you page, and also you can add webhook to get the details. But in any other video, I'll show you how to collect the details what the person is filling and put into your email marketing system. So I'm not doing that in this video. We'll see that in another video. Now I'm leaving this for now, and click on done button. And you can see my payment link is ready. I can copy it, and let's have a preview of it. So now you can see here the main offer is the lead conversion system, but this is an optional offer. So this optional offer will help you to increase your revenue from the same customer, and also serve more and have better ROAS, return on ad spend, return on investment, because the person is going to buy this. But there is an option of impulse buying. The person might like this product offer also, and they can just simply tick and buy this. So you can see the pricing is $499, but the person can take this offer as well by just a single tick, and they can pay now for the whole system. How to segregate this, how to get the details of what the customer has paid, we will discuss in another video. In this video, I just wanted to show you how to create an InstaMojo product the right way so that you can have the maximum profits. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, click on the like button, hit the subscribe button if you are new to the channel, and if you have any doubts, please share in the comment section. See you in the next one.